In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of the App Store not connecting on your device in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and troubleshoot this problem step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. It's essential to make sure that your iPhone or iPad is connected either to a reliable Wi-Fi network or to cellular data. This is a fundamental step because without a stable internet connection, the App Store will certainly struggle to connect. Consider toggling your Wi-Fi or cellular data off and back on again, as sometimes this can help stabilize the connection. Make sure you see those signal bars indicating a strong internet connection. Next, we'll move on to restarting your device, a simple but often effective solution for many issues. To do this, go ahead and turn off your iPhone or iPad completely. It's best to wait for about 10 seconds before turning it back on again. This brief pause allows any temporary glitches or background processes to reset, potentially resolving connectivity issues with the App Store. Now let's check if the problem might actually be on Apple's end. Sometimes the App Store might be experiencing downtime or issues that are out of your hands. You can verify this by visiting apple.com support system status from your device or any other internet connected device. This page provides real-time updates on the status of various Apple services, including the App Store. If there's an issue listed there, it's a good indication that you'll need to wait for Apple to resolve it. If everything seems fine on Apple's end, another approach is to sign out and back into your App Store account. To do this, head to Settings, then tap on your name at the top. From there, navigate to Media and Purchases and select the option to sign out. After you've signed out, take a moment, then sign back in with your Apple ID and password. This step prompts a fresh connection to your account, which can resolve small glitches or errors related to your account. Finally, if you're still facing issues, resetting your network settings can sometimes do the trick. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, then select Reset. Here, choose Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and network settings, so you'll need to re-enter these details afterward. Although this might seem like a drastic measure, it can effectively resolve misconfigured network settings that are blocking the connection to the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the App Store not connecting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back on track with downloading your favorite apps. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more troubleshooting guides.